I hope this video will prevent you from falling from certain types of scam involving my name. You see, I've had a strange couple of days with technology, not least of which because I'm fighting with software that's putting popping sounds in the audio, so apologies if you've heard that in the last couple of videos, but hopefully I've got some way to resolving that. We'll find out. But mainly because I've noticed a lot of accounts impersonating me recently. Lots of them on TikTok. TikTok are quite good at removing them, although it does take time because they've got to verify that it's really not me and this kind of thing. They can't just take my word for it. Might be easy if they verify me, but we'll have to wait for that. But there's lots of accounts that still impersonate me. Most of them have got next to no followers, as you can see here, 4 followers, 11 followers, etc. But some of them do gather a number of followers. I'll come back to one of those in a moment. But the one that I wanted to bring your attention to here, which does really frustrate me, although there is some sort of resolution to this whole thing, which I'll tell you in a minute, is this one here. Now, someone tagged me on X to say this account, you can spot the ingenious play on spelling here. They've used 1 R instead of 2. Now, this is obviously not got many followers either, but what they've done here is really quite frustrating. They've got lots of videos here. Some of them have got hundreds of views, 500, 400, etc. Then it appears that they dropped off as though people realize that it's just not real, hopefully anyway. But the reason I'm doing this video to bring to your attention is because of what they said. They say here in these videos, I don't always have the opportunity to respond to you on here. Text me on Telegram with the username below. And that appears to be the username BlackBeltBarrister. So it appears that they'd commandeered the BlackBeltBarrister username over on Telegram. Aside from the fact that it's trademarked, impersonating a barrister is a criminal offence, but I don't think they care much about that. Whilst they're trying to scam you in whatever type of scam, it must be some kind of scam, otherwise why would they be doing it? So I put a post out on X, tagged Telegram in. Now, I have a Telegram account, but I'm not on Telegram, if that makes sense, because I've just never really used it. But I said, this account is impersonating me. Can you please do something about it? Now, interestingly, they didn't respond even when I messaged their no to scam or whatever the account's called, where you contact them for impersonating you. And I'm flattered that these fraudsters think that I'm worth impersonating, but hey, so I didn't get a response from Telegram. But what did happen is that this username became vacant. And so I then attached it to my account on Telegram. As I say, not that I use Telegram, but now it appears that I've got at BlackBeltBarrister connected to my account. So if anyone at Telegram did that, thank you very much. It will prevent people from being scammed if they try to contact some fraudster using my handle. But also, there's another one here, which is also a bit concerning. When you search my name, because on TikTok, I have another account in my own name, and this is the biggest insult of all. Look at this. This one, the top one is mine, okay? The top one is real, 7,500 followers here on TikTok. The insult is the copy account with an underscore at the end of it here. They've stolen my videos. They've nicked my videos and downloaded them and re-uploaded them here. I've reported them all to TikTok, and I'm waiting for TikTok to get around to sort it out. I don't know if there's a reasonable mechanism for other people to report them, but feel free to tag TikTok and say these are all not me. Don't tag the wrong one. The top one is really me, with my name and no underscore or anything else. But this one with an underscore has now got 12,500 followers. Now, what that means is because they've got over 12,000 followers, if they get enough views and all that sort of stuff, they can start making money on TikTok. It's not a huge amount of money, but they can start making money using my videos, which is copyright theft. It's all sorts of fraud. It's impersonating me. Impersonating a barrister is a criminal offence, as I say, because they've copied here all of my profile information, which I do change from time to time, but hey, they've copied that. And now there's also another account here, although it's got 0 followers. And so, yeah, if you see those accounts, They're not me. The only one that is me is that top one there. But just, I will never ask you to go and invest in cryptocurrencies and things like that. I'm never going to be trying to sell you something and, you know, I will point you towards companies that I recommend. I partner with with companies on my videos from time to time, and it's on my official channels, which is why on YouTube, my channels are verified. Both my Black Belt Barrister and Black Belt Secrets channels are verified on YouTube. And you can tell that because when you look at the channel, you will see there's this verification tick here, which I would like to think that at some stage TikTok will verify me. And I think even on Instagram now you have to pay for it. I was hoping to get verified on X, but then you had to pay for it. So I did pay for it. Not that it really means very much because they just verify you just by your identity and whatever. So in theory, people could impersonate me and pay for a verification tag, and that might not be all that great. Personally, I think the verification should be limited to those vetted to be the genuine person. But there we are. So if you've seen any of those trying to pretend to be me, don't go through to them. Don't give them any money. Just check out my original authenticated channels and just come here to those instead. So I hope you haven't done that. Please don't do that in future, and always come to my genuine channels here. But I hope you found that useful, and obviously, thank you for watching.